Aruba has a very unique tradition on New Year's Eve, and that is to go crazy with fireworks. A 17-year-old amateur photographer decided to forego doing the fireworks this year, but to capture it instead. Good thing, because her picture went viral and attracted thousands of tourists' attention to experience Aruba on New Year's Eve. Gabriela Croes took these photos on top of Hooiberg on New Year's Eve. It was an organized family outing.
It was planned to go on Hooiberg on New Year's Eve because my mom always wanted to go on there on New Year's Eve to see if the view is amazing, and it really was. And so we went there, and at first it was scary because it was really dark, but there were more people, so we went on top.
Gabriela and her family reached the top of Hooiberg at around 10:30 p.m. and the island's sky was already exploding with fireworks.
It was amazing. We went there I think 10:30, and there were already fireworks everywhere, and when 12 hit, the sky just blew up everywhere. There were fireworks everywhere, and everyone were just staring at the sky. It was amazing.
Gabriela uploaded this shot on social media. It quickly became a hit. People continuously shared the photo, made it their cover photo on Facebook, etc. The 17-year-old amateur photographer estimates 600 shares and 10,000 likes. It was mostly tourists who shared the photo, ultimately driving tourism for the island.
I saw posts from United States, Holland, also Costa Rica. They all shared it, and they all, mostly tourists. They shared it because they said they want to come to New Year's Eve on Aruba, and I like that.
Capturing this perfect picture wasn't by accident. It took effort to get this result.
When I got there, I took a lot of shots, to be honest. I had to keep changing the settings because the fireworks almost blew up the camera because it's really bright. And so I had to change a lot of settings and keep taking pictures and pictures. And also they came blurry because there was a lot of wind. It was really cold up there. But at the end, I took some shots that were amazing.
Gabriela plans on taking more pictures and sharing them. And she encourages others to do so as well because it spreads the word to the world as to how amazing Aruba's New Year's Eve celebrations are.
Up there on Hooiberg on New Year's Eve, there's a lot of tourists and a lot of families, and it's amazing if we keep this tradition so more people could see the amazing view on Aruba on New Year's Eve.
What a great photograph. That's all the time we have for now. Thanks for joining us. We'll be back here tomorrow night at 7:15 p.m. right here on Channel 15 ATV, so don't miss us. We'll see you then.